los terroristas.
Okay, here I am, there I go. Be right, said it better, we spit gumbo. Mission of the game, save people, cause I never forget what the mission is, my bro. Got the brim down low, gotta bob real slow. Walking with a beautiful canvas like Van Gogh. If you wanna live it, deliver it, let's go. If you faking the feeling, then you might just choke. Excuse me though, you were exposed like a dude speed hoe. I am in the zone by examining the throne as I call collect ET style phone home. Gone, now that I got your attention, everybody listen. You are non-existent until you give your life to this mission. Can't take the field trip without his permission. Woo! I am on a one-track mind. My lifestyle is evident that I'ma let him shine. The thought of ever going back never crossed my mind, and I'ma stay on it till that day we intertwine. Cause I'm meet me in the zone, bro. This ain't really my home. Meet me in the zone, bro. This ain't really my home. We so underrated, cause we talk loud about the one who made us. Everybody's in a bad romance, going gaga over everything cause Judas played us. Who's the latest? What's the greatest? Reality shows cause your heart's sedated. Even if I had $100,000 to buy 100 hours, radio still wouldn't play this. That's musically racist, and I get down with the space miss, cause I'm digging up cases. If you want life, then you better embrace them, cause I'm on that straight and narrow, shooting for your heart like a pro in that rope. You don't want the truth, then keep your eyes closed, cause I'ma keep it rocking till my casket's gone. I am on a one-track mind. My lifestyle is evident that I'ma let him shine. The thought of ever going back never crossed my mind, and I'ma stay on it till that day we intertwine. Cause I'm meet me in the zone, bro. This ain't really my home. Meet me in the zone, bro. Really my home.
I'm G-O to the N to the E, and I know he's so into the me. Everywhere I go, gotta get him in free, cause I begin to see when he in it in me. New sight like optometry, that new light what I'm trying to be. I'm in the sky like astronomy, but I stay down like economy. Yeah, I told him beam me up, I'm on my Captain Kirk. But some people don't understand cause they looking at your man while they trapped in dirt. This is how we doing it, I wanna go get you in it. I stay mic check 1, 2 in it, cause this is what influence is. So we educate, elevate, then demonstrate. Don't think for a second that I'm finna wait. When we coming in the room, we renovate. This right here is just a taste. I'm trying to tell y'all this is the way. In the meantime, for the rest of the day, I think I'll do my